welcome you all. Today I share something about the concept of DC choppers. I'm Professor Jabash Samuel, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. What do you mean by chopper? So chopper is a device converts fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage. It is a static device which converts fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage. So it is known as DC to DC converter, that is converts fixed DC into variable DC. So which is widely used for speed control of DC motor, also used in regenerative braking. So thyristor converters offers great efficiency, fast response, low maintenance and smooth control in the chopper. Chopper are classified into two types: step down chopper and step up chopper. In step down chopper, the output voltage is less than the input voltage. That is, if the input voltage is 200 volt, output voltage is 180 or 150, that is less than the input voltage. In step up chopper, the output voltage is higher than the input voltage. So in today, let us see the function and operation of step down chopper. So this is the basic circuit for step down chopper. So chopper is nothing but it is a semiconductor switch. So the input voltage is DC because it is convert the DC voltage into fixed DC voltage into variable DC. So the basic chopper circuit consists of a semiconducting device. Here we are using thyristor as a semiconducting device. So thyristor is a chopper, so which are connected with the resistive load. So this arrangement is connected with the constant or fixed DC supply. Let us see how this circuit converts fixed DC into variable DC. So you assume that the input voltage is 48 volt DC, like, okay, right. So the step down chopper with resistive load is shown in the figure. The thyristor in the circuit acts as a switch. When the thyristor is on by applying the gate supply, when thyristor turn on, the input DC voltage appears across the load. By removing the gate voltage, the thyristor turn off. When the thyristor turn off, the voltage across the load will be 0. That is the basic concept. Okay. You assume that this is the output waveform, output voltage and current waveform. The input is a DC voltage. So it is a constant straight line. Okay. 48 volt DC. So at the time T on, that is from 0 to the end of T on time, the gate pulse is applied to the thyristor and the input voltage appears across the load. At a time T on, T is equal to T on, at the end of T on, we remove the gate pulse. So what will happen? The thyristor is turn off. So at an interval T off, the thyristor turn off, the no voltage appears across the load. So the output voltage is 0. So what is the input voltage? That is 48 volt. That is the maximum voltage. Then during the turn off time, there is no voltage. So here a dotted line shade the average output voltage, that is VDC. So in this concept, by periodically turn on and turn off the switching device, that is thyristor, the voltage can be reduced. Okay, so the output voltage of this uh, chopper is lesser than the input voltage. That's why this chopper is known as step down chopper. Okay, so VDC is the average value of output or load voltage. The IDC is the average value of current, and TR is the time interval for which SCR conduct, and T off is the turn off time of SCR. T means total time, that is T on plus T off, that is period of switching or uh, chopping period. Frequency equal to 1 by T. Okay, so therefore the average voltage, the average output voltage VDC equal to V into T on by T on plus T off. Okay, so T on plus T off is noted as total time T. So V equal to T on by T. So the value of T on by T, or ratio of T on by T, is denoted as alpha or D, which is known as duty cycle. So duty cycle is the ratio of on